Welcome to our exploration of the Euro 5-cent coin from 2003. This small denomination coin, part of the Euro currency system, offers more than just its face value. Today, we'll delve into its historical background, geographical significance, and the role it plays in the Eurozone. The euro, introduced in 1999, replaced several national currencies across Europe, marking a significant shift in the region's economic and monetary landscape. By 2002, euro banknotes and coins were issued, fully replacing national currencies. The 5-cent coin, one of the smaller denominations, was introduced alongside other euro coins, designed to be both practical and symbolic. In 2003, the Eurozone comprised 12 countries: Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, and Portugal. Each country had the opportunity to design its own national side of the euro coins, while the common side featured a map of Europe. The 5-cent coin features distinctive elements. On the common side, it displays a map of Europe, highlighting the European Union's geographical extent. The national side, which varies by country, showcases designs that reflect national identity and heritage. For instance, Germany's 5-cent coin from 2003 features the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of unity and freedom, while Italy's coin might depict an iconic historical or cultural symbol. The coin itself is made of copper-plated steel, which gives it its characteristic reddish color. It has a diameter of 21.25 millimeters and weighs 3.92 grams, making it slightly larger than other coins in the 1, 2, and 5-cent range. The introduction of the euro aimed to simplify transactions across member states and foster economic integration. By using a single currency, Eurozone countries could benefit from easier trade, travel, and economic stability. The 5-cent coin, while small in value, plays a crucial role in daily transactions and helps facilitate this integration. Geographically, the Eurozone encompasses a diverse range of countries, each with its own economic conditions and financial practices. The 5-cent coin is used across all these nations, contributing to the uniformity of the currency system. It helps in small transactions and is a familiar sight in everyday life, whether in cafes in Paris, shops in Berlin, or markets in Athens. Though individually small, the 5-cent coin collectively represents a significant amount of money in circulation. It aids in minimizing the need for rounding transactions to the nearest larger denomination, which can help maintain fairness in pricing and transactions. Additionally, it supports local economies by ensuring that change is readily available. The Euro 5-cent coin of 2003, while modest in its value, embodies a significant chapter in European history. Its design reflects the union of diverse nations under a single currency, facilitating economic cooperation and stability. By understanding the background and impact of this small coin, we gain insight into the broader economic and geographical context of the Eurozone. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Euro 5-cent coin from 2003. We hope this overview has provided a valuable perspective on its historical and geographical significance.